All right, that's 1 box of our Honey Made graham crackers, crumbled, coming in with 1 stick melted butter. Perfect. Now I'm gonna sprinkle in some dark brown sugar. That looks good. And I'm just gonna start mixing this all together here with my spatula. We are making a super yummy dessert I know y'all are all going to love. All right, we're just gonna press this down into a flat little crust here on the bottom. Now I'm gonna set this aside and bring in my bowl. All right, I got 2 boxes here of Ghirardelli brownie batter. Whoop, perfect. Now each brownie batter calls for 1/3 cup of water, so I'm gonna actually replace the water with coffee, and I'm using 2/3 a cup of coffee for the 2 boxes. Instead of oil, I'm using butter, 1/2 cup per box, so 1 whole cup of butter. And now I am just popping in here 2 eggs. And we're gonna get this all mixed together and incorporated. Y'all, this is not like a regular brownie. We are doing a very souped up special version of brownies. This is such a fun treat to make. It's great to bring to a holiday party. You're celebrating. This is definitely the celebratory treat of choice, at least around our house. I love to bring this to Thanksgiving, to Christmas. You can even add other flavors in, just really, really personalize this and make it your own. And look at this thick, yummy, double chocolate brownie batter that Ghirardelli, you can find it on sale. I got it at Walmart today. Pretty fantastic. It's got those chocolate chunks in there. And y'all, this is gonna be so tasty. All right, I'm bringing back in my pan of my graham cracker crust. And here we go. Ooh la la. Oh, yum. Alrighty, we're just gonna spread this edge to edge over that dark brown sugar crusted graham cracker crust. This is gonna be so tasty. It's gonna go great together. And we are gonna be adding even more yumminess to this. Y'all, you are gonna lose your minds. Mind blown, best treat ever. You gotta stick around. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 325. I think it's gonna take about 30 minutes, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Alrighty, y'all. Our brownies are baked, but not done. We're gonna be adding some more good to this. Woo! Starting with a bag of mini jet puffed marshmallows. We're just gonna spread this evenly on top. Yummy. Now I'm coming in with some of my Kraft caramel bits. We're just gonna spread a little bit of these in here. Caramel bitties. Perfect, that looks great. Ooh, 1 big bit. All right, now I got my Hershey's Special Dark Chocolate. Of course, you can use milk chocolate if you prefer. I'm just gonna open my bar here, and then I'm gonna start breaking these up. And I wanna actually just tuck these into our little marshmallows, our little caramel bits, and get these placed throughout here. This is gonna be so yummy, y'all. This is gonna have the most tasty treat on top. We've got those graham crackers on the bottom with our dark brown sugar and our crust. And then on the next layer, of course, we've got our delicious brownies made with the coffee, which y'all, you're not gonna taste that coffee. It's just gonna enhance the flavor of the chocolate in our brownies. And then of course on top, we've got our mini marshmallows here, and we've got our caramel bits. And now we're just adding these pieces of Special Dark, but you can use milk, Hershey's, or whatever kind of chocolate you like. But y'all, this is gonna be so scrumdiddlyumptious. Alrighty, y'all, we're almost done. I'm just gonna pop this back under the broiler for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, look at this. It's like a beautiful campfire creation that we did here in our oven. Summer may be over, but you don't have to leave those tasty, treaty tastes behind. You can just, here we go, perfect. Woo! I'm not gonna waste any of these marshmallows. I'm just gonna scrape them right here onto my plate. And now I'm gonna get underneath for the piece de resistance. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. So fudgy. Wow. Oh, this looks incredible. Make sure I get some of our brownie in here. The graham cracker crust. The marshmallows and caramel and chocolate on top. Wow. Okay. This is so good, y'all. Oh my God. You've got to try this.